To carry a reusable water bottle and refuse single use plastic bottles. I pledge to bring my own reusable coffee cup instead of using disposable cups. I pledge to use flat napkins instead of disposable paper. I pledge to avoid purchasing products packaged in single-use plastic whenever possible. I pledge to bring my own reusable bags for shopping and say no to plastic bags at checkout. I pledge to choose products with minimal and no plastic